Okay guys, I've decided to do the H4 LED projector bulb conversion on my 2007 gsxr 600. The gsxr 600 normally comes with a H7 bulb on the top, which is a positive and a negative, and that's for your normal beam. And then it has a separate bulb at the bottom, and that is for your high beam. So for me, it was that it would be a waste to have one which was the normal beam and one which was the high beam. So in order to overcome that, I went with the H4 conversion, which allows both of them to be dip beams as well as high beams, thus allowing them to be even more brighter than the originals. These are the projector bulbs that I've acquired. It costed around 450 South African rands through an online website. These are waterproof as well as dual projector lens, meaning that they do normal low beam and high beam together. And as you can see on the photo, for this project we needed some epoxy, some cable clips and some 3mm wire, a drill bit, and these are the cable clips, as well as black can of spray paint and silicone sealant. This is now the bike when it was stripped out. The headlight has been removed. As you can see, the headlight has been stripped out. It has been placed in an oven and separated from the actual plastic cover. So you just put it in the oven and you'll be able to get the glue out and separate it, as what I've done here. The bulb actually doesn't fit in the back, so what I've used is a drill bit to drill out this little piece of plastic from the bottom of the housing. And as you can see here, cleanly out. I decided to spray the inside housing from silver to black, and this is the first coat that I've done. Here is the second coat, and then final 3 coats of black. Here you can see with everything cleaned out and it's all black, and I've now epoxied the H4 projector bulb onto the top, and it's epoxied from the top and the bottom or behind, and that's to give it strength. This is what it looks like close up, and you can see there it's been epoxied. This is the trial wiring. You can see the bottom lens or the bottom bulb has 3 wires, and normally it is just the positive and the negative, and in this case the low beam is shared between the top bulb, and same vice versa, the high beam is also shared. Remember, this is dual lenses. I actually got tired of not being able to see at night with the original setup, so this is why I've went through to this setup. Hopefully it's a lot brighter. I have tried a HID kit as well, and that didn't work for me. It was not as bright as what I think this would be with having dual filaments bulbs. This is just a mock setup of testing to see if it lights up, and as you can see they both light up and they both have high beams now, so it should be a hell of a lot brighter. This is on the bike all installed. Please comment, subscribe and follow for more mods. This is with the lights all on. As you can see they both light up compared to the original, so you have both low beams and both high beams, and it's looking good so far. Everything is marked back up. And this is just a video to show you guys. This is the low beam, and I switch over to the high beams just to test everything is working. And there we go. As you can see, the high beams is also working. Then reposition the bike so that you can get a better glimpse onto the wall. And here we go. This is just with the ignition on. This is your low beam. Guys, in my opinion, this is a hell of a lot brighter than the original and the HID that I've had on the bike. And as you can see, this is the normal beams, and then I switch over through to the I beams. Now remember that both bulbs light up and it's extremely bright. And that would be, for those who are using your motorcycle at night, I think this would be beneficial, since the original lights is very dim, cannot even see quite far, and it's important to have good vision, especially on a motorcycle. So yeah, there you can see it. It's both the H4 that's lit up, low beams, and both the high beams now. And there you have it. It's all put back together, all looking neat and tidy. Looks very nice in black instead of the original chrome, and we know it's very bright. So I hope this helps somebody who needs to do this conversion so that they can have better vision at night. All in all, it took 2 days to do the conversion. Please comment, share, and subscribe for more mods to follow. I just wanted to show somebody that you can change these bulbs completely to get a more desired effect.